sa Rockwell Club, sa swimming pool area. Men are hard.
So pinagbikini ka, ganon.
Eventually, I was like praying to God, Lord, parang I need direction. And you know, when you ask questions, but it just doesn't sound right. Why is this world so dirty?
What's up mga Skynam? Welcome to another episode ng TU Bray Podcast at maraming salamat sa Tritone Studios and Tritone Entertainment. At kung gusto nyo naman ng ganitong podcast, alam nyo na yon, mag-subscribe kayo. Help me reach 1 million subscribers. At syempre, pakinggan nyo rin sa Spotify. Pwede rin mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share. Maraming salamat sa mga gumagawa nun. Thank you rin syempre. Pikutin Perfume ni Tio Bray available na sa Facebook, Shopee at TikTok. At ngayon, napakaganda ng episode na ibibigay ko sa inyo. Dahil isang alamat ang guest ko ngayon. Alam nyo na yan, malamang sa mga titong nanonood, nagbasa ng FHM, yung mga lumang mga magazine nun, di ba? Tsaka ang ganda ng kwento nitong taong to. So ako, without further ado, syempre, isa siyang host na rin. Ngayon, host siya, naging DJ din sa radyo. Social media personality na siya ngayon. And syempre si Karen Bordador. Yan.
Yay! Thank you so much for having me. Grabe, alamat talaga.
Alamat. Ganun katindi. Legend.
Buti buhay pa.
Di ba? Alam na alam. Pero ngayon, si Miss Karen ba ngayon single, taken, complicated, or talking stage? Ano ba ngayon?
On stage, every time, hosting.
Ay, nako. Yun ang sinagot. Yan.
Events everywhere, all over the world. Yun.
Okay. So hindi yung age, hindi ko na itatanong. Yan.
Wag mo nang i-try. Okay.
Pero in despite, di ba? In despite na ang ganda pa din.
Wow.
Diba? Ang ganda pa din, ang sexy pa din, lalo, grabe. First time ko siya nakita kasi, ang laki mo pala, no?
Hindi ko
sa personal,
alam.
kasi ang liit mo sa magazine
Umpisa pa lang, pero hindi ko na alam kung nilalait mo ako or...
Oo. Grabe, ang liit mo sa magazine.
Ang laki ko. Ano
diba?
ba?
Ang liit mo sa magazine.
Siyempre, kasi yung page, diba, maliit. But yeah, siguro height-wise, people would always think that I'm a little bit short or petite, ganyan. Hindi.
Gusto ko yung kwento mo dati na gusto mo, di ba, parang lumalabas sa kwento mo kanina, ayaw mo mag-model. Tama ba?
Yeah. Hindi naman sa ayaw ko mag-model before. Yung idea is kasi I was supposed to be in fashion magazines. Yun yung aim ko. Kaso lang, nung time na yon, hindi patok yung mga morena. It's usually the chinita ones na mestiza, the mukhang Spaniards, diba? So, yung mga blonde hair, you know what I mean? Like beautiful eyes.
Eurasian. Yeah.
Sure, Eurasian. And I was a full-bloomed morena then. And yung tipong really dark nung time na yun. Pumuti na ako eventually through time. But I was very dark, and at that time, kahit anong audition ko talaga sa mga fashion magazines, never ako kukunin. Pero I was like, you know what? Filipinas are all morena. Let's raise the flag, diba? So it just so happened I did a shoot one time, and then may photographer from that magazine. And then sabi niya, Karen, I'll just take a photo of you. Sabi ko, sure, no problem. I didn't know na ibibigay pala niya yan sa magazine to submit it just to, possibly have me there. Hindi ko alam. So after 1 month, I got a call from that magazine, and then they said na, I can't believe we just discovered you now. No, let's have an interview, etc. For me as a first-timer, I was a student then. I was like, okay.
Ilang taon ka nun?
Huwag ka na mag-math.
Nagka-college ka pa? College pa?
Huwag ka na. Naku, kala mo, I'm sharp then. But yeah, so we had an interview, naalala ko pa yun sa Rockwell Club, sa swimming pool area, diba?
So pinagbikini ka, ganon?
Hindi, club ko yun. So I said, let's meet here para I'm comfortable, diba? So we had an interview, I did not know about the magazine. And then we had a shoot, I was like, akala ko naman na parang wala lang, diba? Biglang sumabog yung yung feature na yun.
Paano yung measure nila na sumabog? Saan sila tumitingin? I mean, kasi ngayon may analytics yung social media. Ano
sure,
yung analytics
I think that time,
nila?
When you ask questions, but it just doesn't sound right. But anyway, when it erupted, when they said na parang grabe yung impact daw when my feature came out. So the next following months, they kept getting me on a feature, on like cards, like also mga calendars, etc. Tapos Vixens came along. So after that feature, sunod-sunod na yon.
So yung mga racket din, putok din.
Sobra. And nung time na hindi ko naman talaga gusto yung environment na all males, quite honestly. Gusto ko yung girly world makeup. I wanted to be in a world of clothes. Pero since nalagay na ako sa ganong image, ang hirap na talaga umalis. Alam mo yon, yung mga female brands did not want me at that time because I represented something that the girls would not like to have. Diba? Siyempre kalaban ko yung mga girls, diba? Gusto ko sila maging BFFs. So, habang tumatagal yung career ko doon, yes, I was earning a lot. Pero I was also alienating myself from what I wanted. So hindi ko talaga fully embraced yung image na binibigay sa akin. So eventually, I tried to get out as much as possible. You know, I got a little bit difficult. Alam mo yun, parang I negotiate more, I had more restrictions, etc. To the point na eventually I left the magazine. I was blacklisted. I don't think a lot of people knew that.
Oh, hindi ko yun alam yun.
I got blacklisted from the brand that I won from. Basta nagkaroon ng big competition, nanalo ako. Tapos, madami silang dinidemand of me that I didn't want. Kasi nga ayoko nga yung ganong world anyway. So eventually, ayun, I cut off the male world and then wala akong trabaho for like siguro months, talagang months. And then eventually, I was like praying to God, Lord, parang I need direction. And I've always needed to have a voice kasi ginagamit nila ako also as spokespersons for every project aside from being a model. So sabi ko, I think I need to really speak. So eventually, radio came along. Tapos there was an audition to be the best next hottest DJ of RX 93.1. Tapos I won it. So yun.
Yun lang
So
naman,
God
tsaka
moves
magic
in mysterious ways. Yeah.
Yun nga. Galing. Tsaka bagay ka talaga sa hosting.
Wow.
Bagay ka sa you're very eloquent and maano ka sa
Yun
pagaling.
so nung nag-model ako parang kulang Alam mo yun? Parang it's like a PDF file. I'm an MP4. You know what I mean?
Hindi na nila alam.
A link that needs to be clicked. Alam mo yun? So parang kulang na kulang talaga ako sa pagmamodel. So, ayun.
Tsaka how did you feel na at that time, grabe yung objectifying? Alam mo na yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Pag-objective. Ngayon kasi medyo hindi na pwede. Although, ginagawa pa rin nila kahit hindi pwede. Di ba? Pero, how did you feel about it at that time? How did you control it? Yung,
Interestingly, kasi kasama ko yung mas bulgar ng mga girls. I mean, they were more out there, diba? So, I was being used to speak in behalf of like mga campaigns, yung mga brands. So, they would utilize me by giving me the microphone. So, I didn't have to really dress the way they dressed. Kasi nakakalimutan nila na, alam mo yun, dahil sexy
Matalino.
lahat. Ako, ginagamit ko, okay, I'll dress more, pero I'll speak. So, in your head, I'm doing a lot. Diba? I'm beneficial to you guys. So, I didn't like the idea kasi syempre ang dami mo ding offers na talagang hindi mo gusto. And at the same time, I do not like the idea na you're getting someone's attention na, kunyari, may someone siya. Alam mo yun, parang sinisira mo yung mundo. Feeling ko.
daming offers nun. Yan,
Sobrang daming offers. I was like, why is this world so dirty? But anyway, ayun, at least I knew what kind of life that was, diba? Pero I was very, very limited. Like, the more I know what the world is, the more I'm very restricted with myself. Gets mo ba yun?
Galing. Ano yung pinagkaiba nung girls noon saka sa girls ngayon? Tingin mo?
I'm not in the modeling world now. So, ano bang, what do you mean? By how do you say?
Mas conservative ba noon? Yung time na yun?
No! I highly
mas
doubt.
wild yung ngayon. Ano yung, nakikita mo?
Hindi ko
Hindi naman kailangan makita mo yung modeling world. Pero the way you perceive it now, what do you think?
I think every individual has a wild side. So I can't really generalize, diba?
But
Pero I think more people are swayed with money. Siguro. I mean, you know what? All generations, I feel. Oh, pero ngayon kasi, it's more visual, it's easier. There's easy access to people now, which is sad. And hindi ko mas sigurado kung what's more wilder, but the imagination is really going wild now. So, ayun. I think social media has really messed our heads right now.
Ano masasabi mo dun sa nag-trending na video na broke boys do not deserve no pusa?
I think guys need to elevate talaga. Syempre, if they say someone is too much, it's because you're not doing anything. I mean, pag sinasabi mong too much, hindi mo siya afford. At saka hindi kayo ka-level mentally, emotionally, everything. Hindi mo siya ka-level. So, yeah, honestly, a lot of people talk about that in trending video. Pero yes, men are providers. They should be able to afford the girls they want. If not, they should di level down. Diba?
Doon ko muna sa daga.
Choose accordingly, diba? Huwag kang magsasabi huwag mo ilalait yung girl na ito yung gusto niya. Alam niya what she's worth Diba? I mean, she didn't create herself just to be told na 50-50. Diba? Or like, ililibre mo siya. No.
Okay. So what's your concept about the 50-50
No.
Anong tingin mo? No. No.
No!
Okay.
Well, okay. Maybe pag na kayo, hindi talaga Siguro.
Totoo.
Parang hirap na hirap ako to the idea na maglalabas ako. Dapat yung guy, afford na niya kaming dalawa. Although meron ako, and I will tell you, ima-match kita. Pero hindi to the point na maglalabas ako for you. Kasi what I have is for me, and maybe one day we'll have a kid, and for the kid. Pero for you, to have me, you have to afford me and the kid. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah. To.
Oo, diba?
Yun naman yung tama
Sabi naman nila, diba, what I own is what you own, but what, you own. Diba?
Hindi naman ako, ako doon din ako sa provider kasi yun yung tatay ko. Yun yung nakita ko sa kanya. So, hindi rin ako naniniwala sa 50-50.
Tsaka Tio Bro, alam mo, Tio Bright, like feeling ko, if the women do not let the men pay, they get complacent. Alam mo yun? They don't work harder. They eventually end up...
Ngayon first time ko narinig yan
They eventually end up thinking na, kaya naman niya So, ba't pa ako mag-effort? Diba? Plans, lesson. Diba? Plans, lesson, dates, lesson, like the importance of just making something special, lesson. Because now you're putting out money. And I think that's every guy's responsibility na sila maglabas. Kasi ang money, pinaghihirapan ng guy. Di ba? Pag kayo may pride kayo Pag nakakuha kayo ng good earning, alam mo yun, kayo nagdadala ng bacon sa bahay. Pero pag nagdala na si girl, parang there's a weight off you to the point na you're not gonna work so hard anymore.
Imbalance din.
And also, yung pera mo, baka i-spend mo sa iba. Diba? So no. I will give the responsibility to you to work for me and whoever we're going to have in the future. Diba? Your resources are mine.
Tama naman, tama.
I mean, in a good sense, not naman in a selfish sense.
Pero ang babae, multiplier.
Yes, we amplify. Diba? Because you're making me happy, I will make you 10 times happier. I will inspire you.
Abay ko.
Diba? I will, make you feel like you are the king and this is the kingdom we're creating. Diba? Kaya nga sabi nila pag happy yung girl, ibig sabihin nun, you're doing it right. If I'm not happy, do you think it's because of me? No, because of what you're doing. You are giving me distress. You're giving me confusion. You're giving me instability. So it's your job to make it peaceful. And we will
make
amplify.
Make it peaceful, yes.
Yeah, we'll
but to make you happy, parang medyo,
okay, I get it. I can be happy on my own, yes, correct.
Yeah.
True. On my own, like security-wise, like to have confidence on my own. Pero in terms of like loyalty, trustworthiness, transparency, honesty, that's part of I will do my job, but you have to do yours, diba?
Ano ang job ng babae sa lalaki, tingin mo?
Aside from support, also to be of service, to be partner in crime, ayun. Maybe also the one who's financially gonna organize things between the two of you.
Galing.
Diba?
Yes.
And also, just men are hard, diba?
Oh, yeah. joke lang. Go.
I meant to say, you guys are sobrang, alam mo yun, sa labas ng
Gera.
bahay, gera. Pero when you're with me, you're a teddy bear. You know what I mean?
And yung babae naman, nagiging feminine yan kapag yung lalaki. Masculine na
Masculine.
talagang...
Oo.
Pag nagiging masculine yan, ibig sabihin, nasusupot ka na.
Yes.
Parang-
And that's what works, diba? Pero kung talagang tayong dalawa ay gera, it's not gonna be a happy place, diba?
Yun talaga yun. I mean, ikaw ba ngayon, ano yung mga dati ba, siyempre napunta ka rin sa mga toxic relationship nung bata-bata.
Yeah.
Diba? So, nung bata-bata ka, ano yung mga na-attract ka before? Nung hindi ka pa nag-grow, nagmamature, ano yung mga
Yeah.
na-attract kang lalaki before?
Like the toxic traits?
Toxic but you like it. You know what I mean?
I don't like it. Pero notice ko, like yung mga past relationships ko, mga cheaters. Oh.
Okay.
I don't know why. Pero maybe they say nga, there's something in you which makes you attract the same certain people up until mag-graduate ka from that, until you learn something from it. So I'm trying to understand now why that is. Why, you attract the same kinds of people. They may be in different forms, pero at the end of the day, yun pa rin yung sablay nila. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Pero ngayon, na-gets mo na. Bakit? Gets mo na ba ngayon?
I'm trying
Hindi
to
pa.
still get it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm
So tulungan
sorry.
kita para mag-get
Sige.
mo. Tutulungan
Sige,
kita.
Sige, go.
So ito yan. Para sa akin, pag nakaka-attract ka ng cheater,
Ano ibig sabihin
it
nun?
might be, okay, dalawa lang yan.
Oo.
It might be ikaw din, hindi ka honest sa sarili mo.
Ay, hindi. I am eh.
Or cheater ka
Ay,
din.
hindi.
Or hindi mo alam yung self-worth mo. Kasi yung cheater,
Ah, yes,
tuturuan
yes,
ka
yes.
ng self-worth mo. Lesson siya. Kaya, saka yung mali-realize mong hindi ko deserve to. Yun doon nagbabago
Actually,
eh.
dun ako sa point na yun. I've been reading books, been trying to understand it. O nga, because I don't deserve the love that has the complete honesty, trustworthiness, and transparency, etc. Parang,
Sa subconscious mo tumatakbo yun.
subconscious ko, hindi ko deserve ng tamang love.
Yes. And may reason. Bakit? Saan nangyari sa buhay mo na na-feel mong undeserving ka ng love? Kailangan hanapin mo. Usually sa pagkabata. May nangyari na isang
Pag na-unbox ko na ba yan, yung lalapit na sa akin, okay.
Yes. True. Ma-attack mo one way or another and then you practice it.
But interestingly ito, Tio Bri, kinausap ko kasi yung astrologist ko. Sabi niya sa akin, yung soul ko daw, dumaan na ng sangkatutak na relationships before na may tinatago sa akin yung
Soul contact yan eh.
yung
sinasabi mo eh.
may tinatago sa akin yung partner ko.
Mm.
And ang ginawa ko, instead of umalis ako, I did more for them. Compromised my work, did a lot of things that parang I hindi naman sabotage, pero I compromised myself and my standards, etc. So inuna ko sila. Sa lahat daw ng lifetime ko, ganon. So ang gusto daw ng bagong life ko is to focus on me.
Yes.
To elevate, to
Finally.
grow.
Yeah.
To not even think about na
Yeah.
a partner will make me happy.
Yes.
And when I achieve that,
Yes.
doon ko lang maa-attract without having to actually
Do anything.
do anything.
Yeah. Bibigay
Lalapit
yun.
yung tama. Yun ang sabi. When you're not looking for it because you are at the stage na you don't even care to have a relationship, that is when the right
Di
one
naman
will
you
come.
don't care. Pero
it's like you
I-
don't need it
Oo.
to make you happy.
I like that idea, but the thing is, yun yung manifestation rule eh. Gusto ko siya. Pero makuha ko siya o hindi, okay lang ako.
Oo.
Buo ako.
And not only that, I'm already at this level. So whoever comes along, can they meet me at this level? Because if not, bye. Ngayon, may standards ka na hindi shakeable. Alam mo yun? Kasi kilala ko na sarili ko, love na love ko na sarili ko. So,
Tama yun.
that was a very interesting epiphany.
Hindi, yun talaga siya. Kung be the person you want to attract. Kung maga ikaw, lahat talaga ikaw eh. Yun ang one thing na discover ko sa buhay yun. Lahat ikaw. Yung kupal na nag-aano sa'yo, ikaw yan. Kasi sometimes may... Kaya nga ako ngayon minsan ganun eh. Parang, ba't pa ako nakaka-attack ng toxic? Okay. Meron pa akong kailangang ayusin. Ano yun? Hindi nahanapin ko.
Ano ba yung na-attract mo na toxic?
Wala lang. Yung mga, ando na rin kasi ako sa point na gusto ko high vibrational na rin na
Paano
babae.
yun? Nanginginig lahat.
Yung high vibe na, hindi na high status, high
Natakot
vibe.
ako sa high vibe ba?
No, yun yung
High
parang
status, okay.
yung loving, nurturing, yung ganon, maganda, loving, nurturing.
Hindi mediocre, ganon.
Tapos hindi walang
okay lang.
Walang struggle for power. Feminine.
Yes.
Feminine.
Ayaw mo ng alpha.
Okay yung alpha sa opisina. Pero ikaw, yung katulad ng sabi mo kanina, pero pag umuwi ka sa akin, baby girl ka.
Baby girl, yeah.
Yun ang, walang problema dun. Walang problema sa powerful. Kasi I think sa akin, ang pag powerful lang babae, pag healed yung lalaki, gusto niya ng powerful na babae. Tutulungan niya pang...
Pag healed ang lalaki.
Yeah. Healed masculine. Meaning, hindi na siya insecure. Meron man siguro unting-unti.
Yeah.
At nahuhuli niya yun sa sa awareness niya. Sobrang self-aware na lalaki. Hindi siya sa kasi alam niyang, pero how do you do that? Kailangan yung lalaki may purpose. Matindi rin yung purpose niya, matindi yung na nakikita niya nagpa-flourish yung babae, matutuwa siya, hindi siya, shit,
No.
I feel small. Again, why do you feel small? Anong instance sa buhay mo nung bata ka or whatever that you felt small? Ano yung nangyari na yun? And then you discover it. And then you change the pattern sa utak mo na, okay, hindi naman ako small eh. Ito na yung mga evidences ko ngayon na hindi na, tapos na yan. Hindi na ganun. So yun siya. Ganun ko siya tingnan.
So in other words, what we fear is what we have. Diba? In some form or way.
Yung fear mo, palitan mo ng faith.
Yun nga, faith.
Yun siya na So, yun nga, yung cheater, going back, lang din yan. Kumbaga sa akin, ito rin, yung cheating din, wound din yan eh. Kaya yan cheater eh. Hindi siya masaya sa sarili niya.
Right. I know. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're not comfortable enough. Kaya they can't even be alone.
Para ma-feel kong lalaki ako, kailangan makuha ako ni
Hindi kaya gwapo yun.
Di ba? Ako dati yun ang feeling kong gwapo eh. Yung madaming...
Pero ngayon, nasusuka ka na sa idea na yun.
Hindi na.
Parang
Andun na rin ako sa
kadiri
Andun na ako sa parang isa. Pero todo. Yung okay na.
But I think
Ayoko
it's also
ng peace
self-respect to know na you have discipline, you know you have self-control, and to know na parang you have morals, diba?
Tsaka yun nga, hindi nga mag-cheat. Pero sa'yo, anong, on your, para sa mga lalaking nanonood, how do you make the relationship cheat-proof?
Well,
Paano hindi mag-cheat yung babae? Para hindi
the
mag-cheat yung babae sa
girls.
mga nanonood nating mga lalaki.
Alam mo mga girls, hindi naman mag-cheat yan. If ever, kunyari hindi na talaga niya kaya, pinaka-last draw na niya yun. At ibig sabihin nun, hindi na talaga siya in love sa'yo. Ibig sabihin nun, sagad na siya, pagod na siya, na parang she's still trying to stay there physically, pero emotionally, she's trying to get it from someone else na. So, when it's girls, it means emotions and love is involved. Diba?
So you believe that also?
Yeah, medyo in love na siya dun sa other person. Kaya mas nakaka-hurt sa men, diba? When a woman cheats. So, to avoid that, once the girl is already with a guy, kunyari, nagsama na sila, she's all in. She's normally all in. All you have to do is to flourish that. Like, water that. Take care of her. Compliment her all the time. What's the point of giving attention to others when you should be giving it all to her, and you will notice talaga the life that you will live once you take care of someone who loves you very much. Kasi talagang mag-elevate looks mo, body mo, yung wallet mo, lahat, career mo mag-elevate. You're gonna feel like the master of the universe when you are taking care of the person that loves you and you love. Diba? So, it's really, as soon as you get that person, you focus, you create a universe with her. Doon mo talaga malalaman. Pero if you always have options, if you're always so worried na parang, ay, baka hindi kami sure anyway. So, palagi, pag nakatingin ka kung saan-saan, just like in driving, talagang you're gonna get into accidents. Accidents that you cannot heal from. Diba? Kasi, wasak-wasak na yung ginawa mo eh. Diba? So, yeah, just take care of her. And you will notice a huge difference when you focus on one person.
How do you take care of the woman? Being you now na, super, dami mo ng wisdom ngayon, madami ka nang napagdaanan sa buhay. How do we really...
Very simple. Yeah. Girls are simple.
Okay, how? Sige.
Like, lang, sabihan mo lang siya ng na you're so beautiful, or like, be very encouraging. Know na you like what she likes, or parang, yung parang maalala mo lang yung mga gusto niya, send mo lang sa kanya. Little things. Yun yung gusto namin little things. Actually, madaming nasisirang mga relasyon dahil sa little things. Like, kunwari, you used to, buy something for this person. Tapos biglang unti-unti nawawala. Sabihin nun, unti-unting pinapakita mo sa akin na hindi mo na ako mahal. Ngayon, ikaw busy ka lang. Pero for me, I account that. Like, naalala ko, shoots, ito yung what makes me happy. But you now forget. Just because 3 years na tayo, 4 years na tayo, diba? Pero that simple gesture na ibinigay mo sa akin yung yung kunyari favorite food ko every Sunday or whatever, that makes me feel so much strong love for you. Diba? Hindi nila nanonotice yun. So yun, nakalimutan ko na yung tanong mo eh.
Yun. So dapat paano ma-cheat proof nga yung relationship? How do you take care of, really take care of a woman?
Ayun, tsaka also spend on her.
Totoo naman.
Take her out to trips, take her out to like a lot of dinners, have dates. Mga tao kasi, they get so domestic, they forget about just getting fancy with their partner. Alam mo yun, yung pag
dressing up, going out
pajamas
together.
na kayo araw-araw, parang okay. But if you take her out, oh my gosh, it's like going back to the start. Diba? Yung when you started dating, mabubuhay na naman yung love affair nyo, parang bago na naman kayo. Tsaka, kwentuhan, endless.
Isogo mo, no? Paminsan-minsan. Isogo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Joke lang.
But endless conversations, diba? Nasaan mo naman yung standards mo?
Sabi kasi nila, pag mahal mo daw, isogo mo. Sabi.
Grabe ka naman.
Joke lang. Pero yun nga, tama. Naniniwala ako sa date. Weekly nga yan dapat eh.
Yeah, it should be weekly. Even my married friends, talagang requirement. And even though they're high caliber people, yung sobrang busy, well-known,
You have to make time.
So important. Parang it's a rule between the two of them. We must have a date night na nakababa ang cellphone. So we are disconnected sa world, pero tayo, we're bonding. And then back to zero sila. Parang ayun, in love ulit. Nakatingin ulit sila sa isa't isa. Alam mo yun, parang love kahit na may anak na sila. That's nice.
Yun naman tama eh. Yun nga, totoo yun. Sobrang daming nakakalimutan mo na. Same as parang sa mga adults din. Sobrang daming bayarin, sobrang daming career, ganyan. Nakakalimutan mo na din maging bata. Which is yun yung kailangan mo maging
the
childlike,
childlike.
maglaro, curious, mag-aral, fun. Diba? Tumanda ka na lang tuloy. Wala na.
Kaya nga if you're with someone and you're looking older, oh my gosh, leave.
Ganun yun. Diba? So yun, naniniwala ako dun.
Dapat mas bumabata yung face mo pag kasama mo yung
Life
mahal mo.
force yun eh. Yun nakukuha sa'yo.
Sabi nun, you're sucking my energy.
Yan yun.
So kung nagiging mas white yung buhok mo, nagkakaroon ka ng wrinkles, you are in a wrong relationship.
Saka yung balat. Yun ang pinaka number one manifestation
Pag
ng...
tumutuyo or like...
Or nagbe-break out.
Normally, madami
yun.
mga kakalabas lang ng relationship. Grabe yung face nila. Ang dami nilang acne, ganyan. Pero eventually, on their healing stage, grabe, parang collagen, dumagdag. Parang sila, gluta na hindi mo maintindihan. Pero in all honesty, it's your soul that's just so happy.
Yan yung sinasabi nilang ASG. Di ba yung ganun? Yung sinasabi na after sex glow. Di ba parang nag-glow ang babae? Parang ganun. Pero more than just sex, yun eh. Kumbaga yung happy siya, taken care of, nag-glow talaga yun. Kaya pag pangit yung asawa mo, ibig sabihin, supot ka pa. Mali mo siyang i-handle. Pag pangit yung babae, pumapangit, natutuyot na ano. Dahil sa iyan, dahil sa lalaki yan.
Right.
Hindi mo siya nadidiligan ng tama, hindi mo na
Oo. So,
nurture.
there is pride when you have a person beside you that looks amazing because you're part of her or his entirety.
Kasama sa success ng
Oo,
lalaki
success
yun.
mo yun na sobrang ganda niya, sobrang alaga siya. Pati nails niya ang ganda kasi naalagaan niya sarili niya dahil inaalagaan mo siya.
Yun ang tama. So ikaw ngayon, magkano yung dapat na for a guy? Magkano yung dapat kinikita niya for you to date this type of person? What do you look at? Nothing wrong. Kasi yun naman talaga eh.
I did tell someone that I'm not attracted. I told someone I'm not attracted to employees. I'm attracted to CEOs or business owners.
Nothing wrong.
Yeah, nothing wrong naman. It's because also I I do well in life. So gusto ko hindi ma-match times 2, times 4, times 10 of what I'm normally accustomed to. So, hindi ko naman tatanungin how much they earn. Pero I think you can tell by their stature and also their background professionally. Pero yun, again, it depends, diba? Not all women have the same insight. Pero for me talaga, I would want someone with authority because I'm already, alam mo, hindi naman, medyo may pagka-alpha din kasi ako eh. Tsaka,
Ano zodiac mo?
Aries. Ikaw?
Scorpio.
Oh, okay, that's why. Aries is the first
Umaapoy yan.
sign.
Aries, umaapoy yan.
It's the first sign of the zodiac. So, we're born leaders. So, I need someone who's stronger than me. Yeah. And more financially well off than
Maging
me.
babae ka.
Yes.
Pag sa tama.
Oo naman.
Sa tamang-
Siyempre ako mag-isa ako ngayon, kaya medyo alpha ako ngayon. Pero normally, I'm very feminine naman. If
yun
there's a right masculine person.
Oo. So, ikaw, sa tingin mo ngayon, ano yung definition mo ng high value na lalaki? High value male. What's your definition? Traits,
Okay. Kasi I think people misplace high...
For pera eh. Lahat sila, yun ang tingin nila eh. Pera
high
eh.
value, they think it's wealth. No! You can have wealth pero sobrang baboy mo. Diba? My gosh, your money is like, kung may caricature, parang may baboy isang katutak na pero it doesn't look attractive. Diba? At the end of the day, it looks baboy. So, it's not wealth. It's definitely not the designer things you have. It's not the big house. It's definitely not what your status is in life. It's more of integrity. Ayan. Pag someone has self-control, discipline, the ability to just say things that are true, pag they are one with their word, alam mo, people that do have integrity are looked up upon. And not necessarily na madami silang pera ha, but because sobrang ganda ng yung principles nila, as in gets na gets mo, parang ina-admire mo yung taong yun. Kasi kunyari, pamilyadong tao, tapos talaga nakafocus siya sa pamilya niya. Even pag lumalabas siya, nakikita mo, pag magpo-photo sila, hindi siya lalapit, hindi siya gagana. Parang those little things, you admire that person kasi he respects what he has and he will take care of them. And you just want to be like that person. So I think yan ang high value person. Yung may, and God-fearing. Diba? Not only that, is good to people, especially strangers. Diba? If bastos sila sa strangers, then just because you have money, do you think you're high value? No. You're just like a kanto person, diba?
Sa mga kino-coach ko ng ibang clients, meron ako mga ganun eh. Na parang lalaki, daming pera, daming ano. Pero naiiyak sila one thing pag tinatanong ko lagi ito. Tanggalin ko yung pera, sino ka?
They don't know.
Naiiyak sila.
Oh. So driven lang sila by money but they're purposeless.
But still they're that the same insecure kid when they were kids. It's just that they have money now.
So parang na-supplement lang sa kanila yung self-worth nila with money.
With money.
And that's sad.
Ang high value kasi sa akin internal eh.
Yeah, it's
And
all
pag
internal.
naayos mo yung internal, matik yan. Ang pinakamagandang feedback is pera.
True. Kasi
Yun
when
yung
you're doing the
feedback
right
mo eh.
things, diba?
Oo,
Money
na-attract
comes
mo.
in. Actually, money comes in regardless. If you're doing bad, you get a lot of money. But if you're doing good and you get a lot of money, there's so much great things you can do and you can share it. Malamang those people do,
True. Purpose.
contribute sa community. Yun ang maganda. Yun ang high value, man.
Purpose-driven.
Diba? Oo.
Yun
Tsaka
yung
hindi yung
ano.
purpose-driven dahil may camera, ha? Dahil
Content.
gusto, diba?
Content pala, content. Action!
Yan diba? Yung gusto nila tumulong at saka nag-e-immerse.
Oo.
Yung talagang inaalam ano ba yung kailangan ng mga tao, hindi for the gram. Diba?
Oo. For the gram.
Diba?
Dami gano'n na
For the
dami.
post. So,
Yun yung ano. So, tama nga naman. So, yun sa'yo. Yun yung high value sa'yo.
dami pa eh. Dami pang high value sa akin eh. Yung sobrang ano ka, like, just loyal. Loyalty.
Matik yun.
Oo, loyalty. Just being able to, having boundaries. That's, diba? Amazing.
Anong
High
boundaries
value.
yung sinasabi mo?
Boundaries, syempre, if you are in a relationship, you don't just give attention to others, diba? Tsaka ang pinaka-high value sa akin, my gosh, like simple high value lang. Kunyari in public, you are with your partner, you know your worth and you know why you got your partner. Pag umikot ka, wala kang pakialam kung may babae dyan, wala kang pakialam kung maganda yan. Nakatutok lang ako kung saan feeling ko is the diamond. Why am I gonna look at stones? Diba? Why am I gonna bother with little cheap shiny things? They're irrelevant. If they look at me, so what? I know I'm already good looking. I know I'm already wealthy. I know I'm already so lucky to have this person. Pero if they are always wandering around and like, oh my God, fans, oh my gosh, she looked at me. Parang, bro, that's not high value.
Totoo. Validation
That's so
pa rin sa labas yun eh.
Insecure.
Oh, insecure yun.
Diba? Like, you can't be happy, bro. You have a problem. Not her. You. Diba?
Lahat yun insecurity, hinihil din yan eh. Inaayos sa sarili.
True naman yun. Yeah, they have to go through elevation in terms of internal,
Sa hygiene naman, ano yung tinitingnan mo sa lalaki, sa hygiene?
skincare.
Okay, part yun. No.
Ngayon, kasi syempre available na siya, diba? I think guys can do skincare
Dami
naman.
sa TikTok, Diyos ko.
Pag nag-skincare sila, okay. Marunong naman siya.
Pero dati, yung time ko na nag-skincare na ako doon, napagkamalan pa akong bading eh.
Ano yung skincare mo nun?
Hindi, nag-ano lang ako. Kasi dati, banda ako for the longest time. So may time na, siyempre, nagpa-foundation ka.
Nagpa-foundation ka noon?
Dati. Kasi sa ilaw.
Kaya naman pala. Yun ang
Yung
iniisip
ilaw
nila.
dati,
Okay, fine.
mainit.
Artist ka naman
Oo,
kasi.
mainit. So talagang maano yung ano.
Makeup yun, di yun skincare.
So, same. Para sa akin. So, pero nag-ano rin ako yung mga moisturizer. Hanggang ngayon naman.
Okay.
No? So, anyway, so gaganyan ako CR. Alala ko yun, watering hole pa. Ewan ko alam mo yung, yun sa Shangri-La.
Okay.
Yung CR ako, ganyan. Nakatanggal yung t-shirt ko noon. Bigla may pumasok lalaki. Tapos nagbuhugas ng kamay. Alam mo yung sa salamin nakatingin siya, tapos nakangiti. Tapos sabi ko tumingin siya sabi niya sa akin, "What's your name?"
Oo.
Oh, shit. No. Sabi ko.
Sinawa na agad, no. Sa CR ba talaga?
CR. Kulit.
pinick up ka.
Natawa ako. Pero anyways, wala naman akong pakinon sa kasi andun din ako sa, ganun din, taking care of yourself, kailangan yun eh. Skincare. O skincare, ano pa?
Clothes.
Okay.
Yung just being able to dress up nicely, fit, alam mo yun. And then, going to the gym, taking care of
Kasama yun.
themselves, diba?
Health yun eh.
Oh, also like, cutting nails. Simple lang naman. Sa guys, hindi naman kayo low maintenance naman kayo, diba?
Ngayon, iba na ngayon eh.
Iba na ba?
Oo, babaan lalaki
Ay, tsaka
ngayon.
may
Dami
perfume.
Oo, nako.
Dapat mabango!
Ay! Nako.
Diba?
O dahil dyan, gaano ka-importante ang bango sa lalaki?
Sobra!
Oo.
Oo, yung tipong, yung di mo makakalimutan yung tao. There's always an imprint of them that you will always try to look for. Kasi yung amoy na yun, talagang iba yung feeling mo pag naaamoy mo yun paulit-ulit.
So halimbawa, sakto lang siya pero sobrang bango. Elevated ba yun?
I think there's an extra guwapo na pogi sense na nakukuha niya dahil yung aura niya gumaganda. Parang, di ba? Parang dumadagdag yun sa aura niya eh.
Nako. Okay, dahil dyan, papatestingin ko sa'yo ang original scent ng Picotin perfume. Ang sikreto ng mga sakto. Yan.
Actually, nung pagpasok ko dun sa studio, sabi ko, ano to?
Oh.
Pikutin. Oh my gosh.
Oh, sige,
Okay.
spray mo.
Oh, yung bango. It's really, really good. Oo. Parang
Okay.
siyang pang everyday na na perfume. It smells like something very famous.
May slight na
May
inano ko
slight.
dyan, may inspired. Pero lumang-lumang
Oh,
pabango.
yeah, I know that scent. Kasi ito yung pinaka-famous
Kasi
one.
yan yung favorite ko eh. Yan yung talagang kong pabango. Actually,
fairness.
nag-start lang yung business na yan kasi gusto ko talagang makalibre sa pabango. Hindi naman para alam mo yung ganun. Pero naging na siya. Kasi mahilig ako sa pabango. Pero anyways, rate mo from 1 to 10. What do you
This is a
think?
10.
Oh, really?
It's a 10. Oh, I mean, the name lang is scary. Avoid.
Oo.
But the internal, the external is a little bit questionable, but the internal is very good. Ang bango niya. And
Diba?
first, oh my gosh, ang lakas ng smell. Spray ko lang dito, nandyan pa rin siya.
35% yan eh. Oil.
Talaga. Pag 35%,
Perfume.
mga 4 to 6 hours to, diba? Or
Oh,
more.
More.
Wow, I
sa
like
ano
it.
yan. Okay. So halimbawa, yan. Ganyan ang amoy ng boyfriend mo. Anong gagawin ni Karen Bordador sa ganyan?
Rar, rar, rar. Joke lang.
Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun.
No, pero syempre, gusto mo amoy-amoyin pa ulit-ulit, diba? Kasi perfumes also make you feel like the other person is just clean and just like insatiable. Yung parang you just can't get enough of them. Parang gusto mo higupin lahat ng smell. The
Naku,
smell, ha?
aray ko,
The
higop
smell,
daw.
the
Oo,
smell.
yan.
And di siya nawawala, ha?
May,
Lakas.
yan.
Okay, guys, I recommend.
Yan. Alam nyo na, di
I
ba?
recommend just cover just cover this. This is really premium. Okay yun siya. Bango siya.
Parang paggaling kay Karen kasi yan ang mga social nung mga panahon dati. Yan yung mga nasa nasa, ano bang tawag doon? Nasa embassy, mga ganyan. Yung mga pang-emba.
Oh my gosh! I went through that phase.
Yeah, lahat naman tayo.
All of
Lahat
us.
tayo.
Oo.
Pero ikaw ngayon, ano ma-advise mo sa mga babae na ngayon na they want to attract high value men?
High value. So, to all the girls out there na gusto magkaroon ng high value man, kailangan muna maging high value woman ka. Diba?
Okay, yeah. I like it.
Actually, may mga girls din kasi that do not deserve a high value man.
Kahit maganda sila.
Yeah.
May ganun.
Ganda kasi wala nang masyadong effect yun eh. It fades so fast. Pero if they are always relying on a man because they can't earn money, actually nakakawala siya ng ganda. If you are just always asking, you're making pa cute. I mean, it just makes it seem that you can't take care of your own self. So before you even expect the best, it's very, important to, internally, diba? Find happiness on your own. At the same time, be happy. Have hobbies, have activities, have a purpose, have an entire life that's, you're molding for yourself. That's very attractive to a man. And also being able to, siguro, if you want someone, be the type of person you want to have, diba? Kung gusto mo isang someone na good communicator, you should be a good communicator too. Diba?
Hindi yung pinapahula mo, ha?
Oo, yung silent treatment, diba? I mean, if you really want to be with someone who is elevated, you level. We match what we get, diba?
Oo.
So kapag ikaw humihingi ka ng mas malaki than you, so ano yun? Discounted? Dapat diba? Premium ka. Kung gusto mo din premium.
Yung packaging mo, ayusin mo din.
Oo, wag ka pabigat. Diba? So, be very much whole on your own. And also, dapat proud ka sa sarili mo with or without a partner.
Galing.
Oo. As in yung tipong, alam mo yun, stand out ka sa sarili mo. Ayun, yung may self-esteem ka, may confidence ka mag-isa, you dress well, you take care of yourself health-wise, also yung skincare. Go,
Basic sa babae yun.
have your hair done, have your nails done. Alam mo yun, not just because there's a man, but even without one, you're already, exuding
Self-love.
yeah, self-love. So, if you want, they would say nga na if you want to attract a high-value man, write it down also, an entire list of what you would like to attract. And if you do not attract that one, like you said, internally fix the problem, especially kung paulit-ulit nga yung na-attract mo.
Obvious yun.
Oo. So, may discrepancy sa ginusto mo sa nakukuha mo. So, obviously, may kailangan mong ayusin sa sarili mo.
Results-based lagi.
Oo, results-based. So, ayun, write it down, and if, you manifest that person and tell
Sa
yourself,
full moon full moon. Yan.
and
Tapos
also,
sunugin. Ganun eh.
and also tell yourself, I deserve a high-value man. I attract the most loyal ones. They are obsessed with me. They find me the most beautiful of all the women in the world. They only focus on me. They will splurge all their money onto me kasi I deserve it. Yung mga manifestations na ganon, diba?
Walang masama dun.
Oh.
Yun gusto mo eh.
Oh, I exist because, I'm here and they're going crazy about me. Mga ganon.
Walang masama, sa sarili mo lang naman sinasabi. Yung iba, pati yung sarili nila tinitipid eh. Yung di ba, yung sasabihin sa sarili. Pero sa best friend nila, ganun sila. Magsalita na, you deserve this.
Pero to themselves,
pero sa sarili mo, ang tipid.
Oh.
Di ba, mali eh. Dapat, mas, sa sarili mo, mas.
Tio Bri, every night, I would listen to manifestation videos every night. I never miss a day. Para the next day, I have that vibe na I deserve such things.
Your day starts the night before.
The night before.
Totoo yun.
And when I wake up, ito dapat mangyari sa buhay ko kasi ito yung sinabi kong mangyayari sa akin kahapon. And I will start off strong today. Ayun.
May isa akong tip sa'yo, dagdag to, magbabago buhay mo.
I need this.
1 hour meditation every day pagising.
I used to do that actually.
Do it. Huwag mong bitawan.
Got so busy.
Kasi ako lahat ng yan yung seek ye first the kingdom of God and everything else shall be added unto you. Added. Hindi mo paghihirapan, hindi mo kailangang ibibigay sa'yo. Kasi sinik ye first mo, yung kingdom of God, ikaw.
Yeah.
Ito. So pumikit ka, just do nothing. Close your eyes, 1 hour, timer sa phone. Done.
Do you have thoughts in your head?
Let it.
Do you control it?
You can't control your thoughts. It's only your reaction to it. Pero usually the first 20 minutes yun yung thoughts. After 20 minutes, wala na yan. Suspended na yung subconscious, conscious mo, nakaganyan na yan. Dikit na siya.
So, pero, me kasi sometimes, I try to put out to my mind yung mga gusto kong mangyari. Do you do
After
that?
20 minutes.
Yun. Okay.
Kasi pasok na siya.
So,
yung
tama.
subconscious mo active na. Ano na siya. Yun yung parang feeling mo tulog ka pero hindi. Yun. Yun na yung pag
Parang you're aligning na
align
to
na
your
yun.
soul.
Oo, yung subconscious mo
And it's
pasok na. Ako
ready.
ngayon minsan, dati yung 1 hour, takal, ang ingay, ang ano. Pero ngayon minsan, bitin na nga ako sa 1 hour. 1.5 na minsan. Or minsan nag-2. Sinubukan ko nung mahal na araw, 2. Ano lang ako, pikit. Grabe, pag ano ko ng timer, pikit ako. Mamaya, ang bilis. 1 hour na yun. May ganun akong moments. Grabe, talagang
And how much of a difference is it na
Laki.
from a day na nag-manifest ka to a day na wala?
laki. Actually, hindi naman siya, okay. Most people, sinasabi nila manifestation, inaaral nila manifestation. Pero yun kasi ang manifestation, pinakamadaling gawin eh. Everyday nagmamanifest na tayo eh.
Yeah.
Kaso nga lang, ano na ma-manifest mo? Problems ba or opportunities? yun siya. So ako, nandun ako, hindi ako nakafocus sa manifestation. Nakafocus ako sa, result siya eh. Nakafocus ako sa inner healing. So pag healed ka, pag maayos yung internal mo, excited ka, lahat yan. Kahit hindi mo
Just come in,
mag-manifest.
diba? Good vibrations.
Minemention mo pa lang, yun na.
It finds you already.
Daming ganon. Gusto ko ng chocolate na ganito. Biglang boom, may magdadala kang friend na,
True.
paano nangyari yan? Ganon, wild. Ganon siya. So ako, again, hindi na nga ako naniniwala ngayon sa hard work eh. Ando na ako sa internal, faith work, spirituality ko. Yun lang ako.
Tibra, I just want to ask yung healing part. What do you mean by healing? Like, what exactly do you bring up sa thoughts mo? Then heal. Like, what do you mean?
Okay. Yung healing kasi, sa meditation, mahuhuli mo na siya. Maano mo na yun. Part ng healing yung meditation. Kasi naayos mo yung nervous system mo. Sinasanay mo sa peace. Sinasanay mo sa madami ka rin madidiscover sa sarili mo. Pero yung healing part, madami yan. Ako, ang dami kong healing na ginawa. Meditation din, shadow work, babalik ka sa pagkabata, aalamin mo, usap tayo. After
Sige.
nung may mga dyan, may mga...
Therapist na rin pala to eh.
Okay, medyo. Joke lang.
Thanks, guys.
Joke lang. Pero ganun.
Okay.
Ganun siya. Medyo, ako, internal. Lahat to, yung mga ginagawa ko, no way, meron din akong shaman. Meron
Shaman
akong
ka
friend.
din, lahat
Meron akong
na.
friend na ganun. So, ako, andun din ako sa, parang pag-focus ako sa spirituality ko, lahat madali. So, yun lang. Hindi ako nakafocus sa podcast, script, wala yan, lahat yan. Ako yung spirituality, yung healing, yung getting to know myself, loving myself more. Yung gym, spiritual yan.
Yeah, true. Actually, since, we didn't talk about it, but when I was, diba, like, in solitude for nearly 5 years, I did a lot of manifestations. And everything na I'm experiencing now is from the manifesting na accumulated within 5 years. Everything na hindi parang feeling mo mangyayari kasi nga hindi ko alam kung kailan ako lalabas, diba? Pero I just went above and beyond with my thoughts. MMK, that was a manifestation, 2-part episode. PBB, as soon as I got out of that seclusion, 4 months later, they knock on my door. These seemingly impossible opportunities came from a manifestation that kept playing in my head for years.
Hinold mo lang yung feeling na nangyari na.
Yeah. And
Yun siya.
I also had that feeling inside na I was already celebrating na nakuha ko na siya. Na I am beyond that already. Pero syempre, yun, yung mga opportunities, etc., na ma-manifest. Pero itong yung mga relationship stuff, they're still quite challenging. Diba?
Sino ba ako din eh?
May
Pero
mga-
kasi inaayos ko yung sa akin yan, hindi ko sinisisi sa iba. Ako yan, okay,
yeah.
naayusin ako. Yan ako.
Right.
Yun lang
So,
po.
hindi ibig sabihin na magaling ka mag-manifest, hindi your entire life mo manifest mo. Meron talagang mga parts ng buhay mo na
Hindi ka perfect eh.
hill and mountains, diba?
Saka kailangan mong, mag-evolve na mag-evolve.
Yeah.
Nag-heal ka, yun naman yun eh. And then lahat yan, magugulat ka na lang, opportunity, ganyan. Yun siya. Simple lang. Parang, hindi nga parang ngayon hindi na nga ako naniniwala sa hirap. Yung hihirapan mo mga bagay,
I agree.
hindi.
I agree. I
Flow.
feel like kapag nakikita ko yung mga tao, kunyari nangungutang, etc., kasi hirap na daw sila sa buhay, in my mind, there is, something that you're not, you fail to realize that things come to you when you think you deserve it. Kapag, kayod kayo ng kayod, ibig sabihin nun, you have scarcity mindset na, inaccept mo na mahirap ang buhay. Pero with us, because we
Saka
think
yung palang
life is
sinasabi
easy.
mo na eh.
Oo.
Yung sinasabi
paulit-ulit,
mo na.
Diba? Therefore, life will make it hard for you because sabi mo eh. And everything you say is true.
Ang siya pa naman, ang universe si God is either yes or something better eh. Yun lang siya, hindi siya nagno-no.
Yeah.
Yes lang. So pag hindi niya binigay yan, ibig sabihin, hindi niya binigay yung Honda Civic o meron ka palang
BMW.
BMW. Totoo. Pero ikaw, tanga ka, iyak ka nang iyak sa Honda Civic. Hindi mo binigay sa akin. Pero bibigyan nga kita ng
Pero you know what I noticed? If you're gracefully enduring a lot of suffering, that's when He will give you more. Because alam niyang, my child is so faithful. Alam mo
Si
yun?
Job kwento ni Job yan.
Si Job. Ang dami-dami mga kwentos. Pag nakikita ni Lord, ay, nakaka-smile pa rin siya kahit binigay ko sa kanya impyerno. Parang wow, diba? Then he'd be like, you deserve it now.
Actually, yung langit, impyerno, state of mind lang eh.
Right.
So pwede mong, hindi impyerno to. Kasi kulang ka pa lang ng knowledge dun sa bagay na yan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo alam na yan pala yung magdadala sa'yo dito. Pero kung alam mo yun, hindi mo makikita ng impyerno yan.
Character development
Langit yan.
phase.
Oo, di ba? Langit yan. Lahat tayo eh. Di ba lahat tayo may face? Ikaw nagka-face ka din ng matindi pero it made you who you are now.
Yes. Oo.
And then tanungin kita, would you do that all over again?
Well, it wasn't my choice, pero yes, oo, definitely.
Exactly.
Oo.
Because it took you where
Yeah.
you are right now.
Tsaka iba na yung ano ko, iba na yung sympathy ko sa tao. Kasi nung time na yun, syempre galing ako sa entertainment world wherein I got everything. I realized na very materialistic ako noon. Hindi ako masyadong spiritual. Tsaka wala akong pakialam sa nangyari sa mga tao. Pero nung pumasok ako doon, siguro sabi ni Lord, you're very, eloquent. You're the type of person who has a heart. Pero your heart is not in the right place. So He placed me in a very enclosed area na lahat ng tao nagdudusa, may pangangailangan, na may pinagdadaanan sa buhay. And then He told me, start caring kasi now you're part of that community and do something about it. Since you like giving joy to people and you also like giving skills, etc., elevate their lives. Parang ganon. Feeling ko, gumawa na lang ako ng
Diba?
purpose sa sarili ko nung pumasok ako sa ganon.
Diba? O yun. Sabi nga hindi natin pag-uusapan.
I know!
Biglang bumalik kayo.
Part 2? Oh my gosh. Part 2.
Yun. Oh. By the way, alam nyo na naman yun. Nakulong si Karen dati.
Oo.
Yun. So anyways, hindi na namin pag-uusapan yan. Pero Karen, thank you for being here.
Thank
Ako
you.
na-appreciate yung ganda ng conversation natin. Grabe. Ang malalim ka rin tao. Madami rin akong natutunan sa'yo. Pero saan kanila mafa-follow? Ng mga,
Yes,
ano?
please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Karen Bordador, sobrang easy lang to find. I also do a lot of live selling on TikTok. So sa mga, yung mga people that love getting amazing products, a lot of feminine care. Ito for meals to, di ba? Pero sa mga girls out there that would like basta check nyo na lang yung TikTok ko. And ayun. And also on YouTube pala, I do have my podcast there as well. Hopefully, it will be revived soon. It's called The Colombia Stories. So ito yung mga, di ba? Natawa siya.
Bigla ako na.
Colombia, diba?
Oo.
So it sounds like, ay, nagbiyahe lang siya doon,
Oo.
diba? Pero in reality, ayun, we just make it a little bit lighter. Pero these are jail stories of, people that were in prison and now are successful. Yung mga daming mga wisdom na makuha doon. So, yeah, thank you so much. I hope to see you guys there. Follow me and tag me as well.
Yan. O, diba? Sana madami kayo nakuha sa episode na to. Maraming salamat siyempre kay Karen, Tritone Studios, Tritone Entertainment. Subscribe kayo. Dahil gusto ko na mag 1 million subscribers. So tulungan nyo na ako dyan. Spotify din. Like, comment, share. So see you on the next episode, guys. Thank you.
Got a situation right here.
Sabi nila ako daw ay pabling. Ako daw ay pabling. Ako daw ay pabling. At sa chicks daw